Step into the future of technology with Mega Technology. We are here to guide you through the captivating landscape of heavy equipment, modern inventions, and cutting-edge advancements. The NOAQ Boxwall BW52 is an independent and self-anchoring mobile flood protection barrier that can hold back water up to 50 centimeters high. And for completeness, the barrier blocks waves up to a meter high. Its lightweight means it can be quickly set up to protect buildings and other objects from water, as well as clearing roads. The barrier is designed for use on fairly flat surfaces such as paved roads, lawns, and tight sidewalks. Each individual box consists of blocking, anchoring, and sealing parts. The barrier is built by connecting each box with the previous one, forming a kind of chain. It is better to move from left to right when installing. The 1233 is the most popular model in the K-Tech scraper lineup. This versatile machine handles all soil conditions with unrivaled fuel efficiency and amazing loading speeds. By mounting two K-Tech 1233 scrapers in tandem behind a single tractor, or ATV, this unit can move a whopping 50 meters cubed in a single cycle with just one operator. This fully integrated tandem scraper system moves twice as much material with just one 450 horsepower power unit. This innovative model is a self-propelled tracked lift truck, model JF545. It seems to be from the realm of fantasy. Despite the power, strength of this crane, high weight compared to other representatives of the Gecko family, the presented mini crane passes to any hard-to-reach places to which large-size equipment cannot get access. The crane stabilization system automatically calculates one of 4 stability levels. Level 1 is the minimum, and Level 4 is the maximum, allowing the operator to control the process comfortably and safely. And what's more, the JF545 is the company's only mini crane with a lifting capacity of 15.5 tons. At the same time, it is distinguished by high maneuverability in small dimensions. Let's decipher the features of the XCMG scissor elevator manufactured by Suzhou, China. It is an all-electric vehicle with 2 front driving wheels, which ensures safety thanks to a new alarm system. The electric scissor elevator is a new elevating work platform designed and manufactured with a working height of 314 inches and an overall width of 30 inches, a lifting capacity of 617 pounds, a platform extension length of 35 inches, and a surmountable elevator of 25%. This kind of equipment can be used in an entirely different type of construction. And what's more, it features zero emissions, high environmental friendliness, stable lifting and lowering, easy operation, and convenient maintenance. The hoist is widely used in factories, warehouses, construction sites, and is especially suitable for narrow working spaces. Now we will talk about the JCB Demo Dump Truck. Their new HTD5 model with an operating weight of 590 kilograms, 5.9 horsepower, and Kohler diesel engine with electric starter is a real find. Smart Step offers maximum operator comfort while ensuring safety. To accomplish this, the system cuts power when the operator steps off the machine, which prevents any movement. Meanwhile, the chute hydraulics continue to receive power. The step can also be folded in walking mode. To activate all hydraulics, the operator must walk behind the tipper. Smart Step has a load capacity of 120 kilograms. Well, thanks to the new features, the new tipper doesn't compromise on productivity. You see the Stryker Volterra ARFF, a plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, PHEV ARFF, that has been designed to meet the growing standards for sustainable solutions at airports of all sizes around the world. It is designed to channel mechanical and battery power to enhance driving and pumping performance, while keeping fuel consumption and emissions in mind. At the heart of the new Stryker Volterra ARFF is Oshkosh Corporation's proprietary technology, including Oshkosh's patented hybrid electric drivetrain that provides zero-emissions operation while powered by battery power. The Stryker Volterra ARFF vehicle is built on traditional Stryker ARFF platform configurations, ensuring fleet continuity and seamless training and maintenance processes. Car transportation in a covered car carrier is an incredibly reliable method of transportation that stands out from other options. This kind of car shipping eliminates the risk of mechanical damage to the paintwork and windows, as well as the development of corrosion, which is not always possible to avoid in the process of transportation by sea or other alternative methods. So if you want to protect your vehicle, now you know exactly where to turn. Sandvik is raising safety and productivity standards by offering mining companies its new 45-ton underground dump truck model, which complements perfectly their range of smart machines. The company's engineers have made a truly reliable machine by adding a smart control module with data acquisition and transmission, available as standard equipment. The model is fully compatible with the optional AutoMine automation system, while it can also be equipped with an integrated weighing system to maximize its rated payload of 45 tons. In terms of service safety, the new model has numerous improvements, including easier access to the upper body and auxiliary handrails. Thanks to automation, operators can control remotely from anywhere in the mine or from the surface. And here is the Svyodovid excavator with a telescopic boom on a MAN chassis, which successfully passed all tests and was certified according to all standards. The development is an excavator with a universal chassis, which together are ideal for work in almost any conditions. These are difficult road conditions requiring constant maneuvering in harsh climate and long distances. It is due to its versatility that MAN is so popular, and that is why its use with an excavator superstructure seems to be the most effective. By the way, MAN chassis are actively used in construction, oil and gas production, and transportation structures due to their reliability and versatility. Discover Hamar's self-loading trailers, 79,300 pounds in 3.5 minutes. This company's side loaders, also known as skid steer loaders, are self-loading trailers or trucks used primarily for loading and unloading shipping containers. With a standard payload capacity of 79,300 pounds, it can easily move a fully loaded container in record time. With Hamar, you can save time and money by offering your customers a new, flexible, and improved service. Lift, move, and transport with one vehicle and operator anywhere, anytime. I think it's clear to everyone that chopping firewood is not just chopping and chopping. With the right machine, sharp cutting tools, and daily optimal technique settings, it is still possible to produce wood chips. But how do you make it better than all the others? With the Force Profi machine, of course. It is with this machine that the perfect wood chips are produced for a wide variety of uses, like wood gasification, fuel, fall protection, playpen coverings, pavings, etc. The wood chips produced by Force Profi are also good because they have excellent characteristics and are easy to cut, not break and shatter. The PackMat PK404 is a mobile compacting machine that allows compacting all types of waste into open skips with a capacity of 30 meters cubed and more, as well as moving equipped skips with a maximum weight of up to 10 tons. PackMat PK404 is a roller compactor consisting of a frame made of welded profiles and equipped with a hydraulically driven roller weighing 2.3 tons. This model has 3 wheels, which means that the machine has a small turning radius, so it can work even on the smallest sites. The self-propelled machine provides compaction of all types of waste in open skips with a length of 251 inches and a maximum height of 104 inches, and skip reloading at a suitable site. Camrock's EK140 chain cutter is ideal for excavators from 2 to 50 tons when milling rock with compressive strengths up to 100 megapascal. The machine demonstrates high efficiency in conditions where drilling and blasting is not possible for medium hard rock with a compressive strength of 15 to 60 megapascal. The machine is well suited for narrow trenches from 480 millimeters wide with an optimal wall profile. The continuous chain, which is driven by drums with cutters, automatically removes the shredded material from the space between them. Digging a trench with a minimum width saves on unnecessary transportation expenses to remove the shredded fraction and reduces the price of the bulk material. and the use of EK series products reduces wear on the excavator's slewing gear. This is what the Flygle weed brush looks like in action. The hydraulically driven weed brush will remove almost all types of weeds on your property easily, without the use of chemicals and in an environmentally friendly way. The unit can be adjusted in both directions from 30 to 90 degrees. The unit comes standard with a dirt trap, so foreign objects now cannot be irrevocably removed from the path of the machinery. The weed brush requires a capacity of about 25 liters and one double-acting connection. You see the Green Cargo self-loading, self-propelled manure spreader, the brainchild of the Belgian company Bimod. The machine is equipped with a Scania V8 engine rated at 450 horsepower, but production machines will be converted to a 13.5-liter Deere engine, which can develop 400 to 600 horses. The spreader here is standard Tornado 3 from Joskin. At the same time, it combines the characteristics that form the basis of the machine's concept: durability, ease of use, and maintenance. Spreading widths generally range from 7 to 16 meters, depending on the product being spread. To achieve this result, the vertical shafts rotate at a speed of 423 revolutions per minute and spread the product with their teeth made of HB 400 steel. At their base, there are two blades that act as hammers in addition to spreading. The BMS is SEPI's powerful mulcher for attachment to excavators from 20 to 30 tons. Thanks to its clever design, high performance, and reliability, the unit is capable of shredding bushes and trees up to 12 inches in diameter. Many consider the BMS to be the best excavator mulcher in its class. The body and hood design allows the branch or tree to be cut first and then shredded in one step with the hood closed. The mulcher's applications range from the shredding of logging debris in forests to the shredding of trees and stumps along roads, pipelines, riverbanks, and canals. One look at these huge tanks of a solar power plant, and it's clear that transporting them can be a real challenge. However, two new AROX trucks with a payload capacity of up to 250 tons were able to cope with this enormous task. The size of the load was truly staggering, and the total weight was nothing to speak of. But the two impressive AROX with 6x6 wheel arrangement, 6-cylinder engine, and 425 kilowatts of power did the job. Before the transportation of this huge load could begin, the team of experts had to carry out a detailed analysis to determine a suitable route. On some parts of the route, detours and temporary traffic routes even had to be organized. The vehicles also achieved their goal by utilizing an important technology that is perfectly adapted to this type of operation: the non-wearable turbo retarder clutch. The twin-engine, dual-propulsion, dual-drive road trains, DPRT, have a high payload capacity, which significantly reduces the time and costs of transporting ore from the mine site to the concentrator, train, or barge loading terminal. With payloads of up to 500 tons and unlimited range, distance is no longer an issue. By reducing transportation and vehicle cycles, you get higher productivity at lower costs. The additional payload achieved with DPRT is simply a game changer in terms of operational productivity and cost efficiency. CBI's Magnum Force 5800 is a mid-size lifting unit designed for contractors working with smaller production needs or transportation limitations. The design and dimensions of the offset spiral rotor, stop, and screen remain the same as the Model 6800 to maintain a high level of grinding performance. However, the rotor width of the Model 5800 is reduced to produce a machine with an overall width of less than 8 feet 6 inches, 2.55 meters, and a weight of 64,850 pounds. The entire machine system is controlled by CBI IntelliGrind logic, which includes a variable feed rate that automatically adjusts to motor load, and an optional modem communication system that provides real-time system diagnostics. In the new LRC model from ABS Remorques, the manufacturer has used cross I-beams to attach the conveyor system to the trailer frame, providing a 30% increase in strength over the standard model. The subframe and other key components are now galvanized, providing maximum corrosion protection, reducing maintenance expenses and extending the life of the trailer. Direct conveyor connection accelerates unloading speeds by 16% compared to connecting to a hydraulic block. The LRC model's pressure regulators and connectors were reconfigured and an access door was added to the front of the trailer. ABS also redesigned the scraper mechanism to limit belt residue buildup. Finally, the door cylinders were relocated. All of these modifications were made to improve the safety and ease of use of the trailer for the operator. Hadrian X is a robot that can build brick structures. The system consists of a large telescopic robotic boom mounted on a 25-ton truck. A separate frame houses the electrical equipment, and the van houses the control systems. Before starting work, the robot reviews blueprints of the house and then creates a 3D model and plans its construction. The machine itself determines which bricks need to be cut and where those scraps can be reused, reducing waste. Glue is then applied to the bricks and put in place by a robot arm, guided by a laser. Hadrian X can lay bricks for a medium-sized country house in 2 days. The Genius can be easily disassembled and therefore transported. This allows the crane to be used quickly for demolition work on the largest projects. Concrete and scrap shears with a lifting capacity of 16 tons make this crane exceptionally suitable for large industrial and infrastructure work. This equipment can be used underwater for offshore and mooring work at depths up to 98 feet. The Genius works safer and faster because it cuts heavy concrete structures, which creates significantly less dust and vibration. And because its long reach means it stays in one place longer, less crawling, preventing vibration and wasted time. These are exactly the kind of benefits that are also welcome for projects in urban areas. The Talon 2000, McElroy's largest machine to date, offers a revolutionary new way to wield large-diameter thermoplastic pipe, for which demand is growing daily. It is a self-propelled vehicle with the unique ability to safely lift pipes from the ground, position them for welding, and move them from joint to joint along the pipeline. This vehicle is equipped with a fast-acting face machine and a motorized indexer to accurately and safely position the heater and face machine in the welding machine. Talon welding operations are controlled through a touchscreen operator station that was designed to mimic the controls of other McElroy hydraulic machines, creating a familiar and easy-to-use interface. The world's largest all-terrain AT-120 from Ditch Witch was built to tackle the toughest jobs on the planet. With 120,000 pounds of pulling power and 15,500 foot-pounds of torque, this model opens you up to limitless types of work. Its all-terrain technology and 280 horsepower Cummins Stage 5 engine reduces environmental impact without sacrificing power. It has 50% more internal torque than its predecessor, giving the AT-120 extra power to drill even the toughest soils. Fast 2K is the fast and convenient way to complete your fence. One 2.5-pound, 33.8-ounce bag replaces 80 to 100 pounds of concrete. Fast 2K eliminates the mess of mixing and having to lug around heavy bags of traditional concrete. With Fast 2K, there is no mess. No water is required, and it hardens in just minutes. Fast 2K will make your project faster and easier. With this new design, there is no need for a base or saddle to secure the post. Fast 2K becomes waterproof after installation. It expands immediately after mixing and holds the post in 3 to 5 minutes. Many tests have shown that this new product has proven to be as effective as concrete for load-bearing structures. Let's talk about the new self-propelled telescopic elevator Zoom Lion model, ZT68J. You've got to admit, it looks pretty good, right? Its maximum working height is 221 feet. This model and its technical capabilities surpasses even the performance of the previous record holder, Snorkel 2100. Special mention should be made of the new outrigger extension system. Its leading elements are hydraulic cylinders located inside the boom. When the system is started, 3 attachment points effectively extend and retract the outriggers. The polygonal boom has superseded the traditional rectangular version, which is also a technical innovation. The main boom of the elevator consists of 4 sections and transitions into a long 2-section articulated boom with an operating range of 125 degrees. In July 2020, Camp C unveiled Europe's first locally printed 2-story house. What makes this house so unique? It is that it is printed using a stationary 3D printer on concrete. The house is 8 meters tall, 90 square meters in area, and printed on a Cobod model BOD 2 3D printer. In addition to the fibers in the concrete, the amount of wire mesh reinforcement used is minimal. The printing technology used made formwork unnecessary, saving about 60% in material, time, and budget. Adding up all the days, it took only 3 weeks to print the house in Camp C. Have you heard anything about the new HT912 from Red-Roo? This fully hydraulic, self-propelled, compact trencher is the perfect companion for your irrigation, sprinkler, and electrical system installations. As for the internal equipment, the heart of the unit is the 9-horse Honda OHV engine. A revolutionary new swivel system protects the pivot hub from dirt, and an operator presence monitoring system immediately stops the wheels and chain. Furthermore, importantly, this lightweight model is also available with a 12-inch, 18-inch, or 24-inch boom. Diamond Mower's ProX Disc Mulcher is the best solution for mulching small-diameter trees and shrubs. The disc design acts like a flywheel to store energy. This stored energy combined with hydraulic power allows you to mulch any trees or shrubs in your path. The shape of the disc and the position of the tines allow for efficient mowing and mulching. While this attachment is precise and ideal for clearing land, it is still not recommended for use in urban areas. Due to the power of this machine, material can be moved long distances, making it less suitable for use in populated areas and near buildings. Self-propelled mobile concrete mixing plant with 4,850 liters drums, equipped with modern force sensors electronic scales, an easy-to-handle and highly accurate system to produce the required mix composition. The CarMix 3500 TC is equipped with a comfortable new cab, able to guarantee safe operation and increase visibility for the operator. In addition, the 3500 TC concrete mixer is equipped with ProMix technology, which allows analyzing the mix composition, slump volume, temperature, humidity, and an indication of the readiness of that very mix. Have you ever heard of moving trees using the dry suction method? If not, then look closely. Just 2 companies were tasked with digging up an adult tree in time for the Christmas season using a dry suction excavator provided by Ox Equipment and operated by Super Sucker. As a result of the fruitful work, the tree was successfully trimmed and transported to a new location and then safely replanted at another site where it is still thriving. The work process is, I must admit, very exciting. Noon Industries decided to enter the market a winner, so they set out to build their most advanced manure spreaders, which can carry 71,000 to 80,000 pounds of manure at a time. Their new Electra-Steer tank is designed to meet the high demands of professional manure spreaders and leading livestock producers. It is a cross-flow system that features a built-in vacuum pump for loading and efficient discharge of manure with a high-volume pump. The machine can handle heavy loads at speeds up to 40 miles per hour, as well as the need to work on muddy fields, stubble, pastures, gravel, and sidewalks, all of which require a rugged machine with versatile capabilities. The CAT AD63 underground dump truck offers high productivity, reduced costs, and increased efficiency. With a rugged design, the hauler can withstand the rigors of the job site. It has an increased payload of 5% and increased engine torque. This machine is equipped with a C27 engine that meets all stage VEC emission standards, which reduces emissions and ventilation costs. Robust construction and simplified maintenance ensure longer life and lower operating expenses to maximize your return on investment. This advanced attachment from Payet features a unique and reliable gravity drive and hydraulic cylinder function with a multi-section telescopic boom. The reloader provides greater digging and ground removal power for increased productivity and efficiency. The compact telescopic boom design is ideal for complex excavation projects, underground and/or underwater, with vertical walls. Common projects include foundation work, narrow excavation, shafts, subway stations, subway parking lots, underground reconstruction, and canal clearing, to name a few. Suitable for any excavator of any make from 6 to 80 tons. Cenoboggan telehandlers are the ideal machines for demanding applications. The A35G Hybrid and 355E models precisely set new standards for efficient scrap, wood, and port handling, thanks to the Green Hybrid Regeneration System, which is now also available in this machine class. You save up to 30% on fuel. These machines are, in fact, multifunctional tools that can handle both common telehandler tasks and complex material handling operations. Here, for example, in this video, we see these loaders pile sugar beets into a pile and then load them onto barges. Together, they are capable of handling 270,000 tons of sugar beets during the beet campaign, delivering fuel savings and reduced CO2 emissions, thanks to Green Hybrid's regenerative technology. With the new Vlex combined stroke robot Volair, the company offers the optimal solution for shunting operations for moving freight wagons up to 600 tons, as well as in streetcar and metro depots. The 100% electric robot has a clean drive concept with high power, which provides real power and durability. With a powerful efficiency of 96%, 4 individually controlled wheel hub motors with peak torque of up to 4,000 Nm ensure reliable maneuvering processes and optimum power transmission on road and rail. Spring-loaded multi-disc brakes acting on all wheels keep the rail vehicle reliably stationary. Construction and transportation companies are starting to present their vision of roads of the future, one by one. Some of them propose to use special solar panels with a high-strength protective coating instead of asphalt. By the way, it will be able to withstand even an 18-ton truck. That is, such panels will be durable and quite capable of replacing asphalt. And also, the roads of the future will be able to not only illuminate themselves, but also to give a significant part of electricity to the energy system. In the future, wireless charging of electric cars is even possible. According to some calculations, such a road surface with an area of 28,000 meters squared will provide about 280 kilowatt hours of electricity. And these are excellent figures. This was an awesome project to not only shoot, but to watch from a distance. This machine is simply amazing. We can safely say that we see the largest single pass trencher in the world. The MT4500 has 4,500 horsepower and over 1,500,000 nanometers of torque. No other trenching machine has this much power and can dig trenches up to 160 feet. DeWind is actually building another MT4500 right now, and it is expected to be completed in late 2023. It's clear from the video that a trench 70 feet deep was dug and a special mixture was added to the soil to create a strong wall below the surface. The CT Model 718 compost header sets new standards for efficiency, productivity, and ease of operation. Operator comfort and efficiency have been improved, including new controls, an easy-to-read control display, and side and rear view cameras, plus a mainframe with a lower machine height for better transportability. The 85H Pro hydraulic forestry winch with a pulling force of 8.5 tons is easy to use thanks to the unwinding device and the auto stop and smart 3-in-1 functions. Operation is via remote control. The folding window grille makes transportation easy. The recognizable winch design with sturdy construction and compact backstrap protects against wear and tear and makes operation easier. The 85H model, on the other hand, does not have an unwinding device. Farewell, tech enthusiasts. Keep the excitement alive by subscribing to our ever-evolving channel.